Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today let's mix it up a notch and show the procedure in its correct order. First, let's install the custom ROM and have a preview later. Today we'll be installing Android Ice Cold Project 8.1.0 Oreo on the LG G6. To be able to do so, you will need a phone with an unlocked bootloader and TWRP recovery installed in it. Then you'll need to download AICP and GApps zip files onto your phone and you're basically ready to go. If your TWRP recovery is properly installed, you boot to it by following the standard factory reset procedure. Press and hold volume down and power buttons together, release the power button briefly when you see the LG logo appear on the screen, and then press it again and keep holding, never releasing the volume down button. When in TWRP recovery, first select Wipe, Advanced Wipe, put a tick next to System, Data, Cache and Art Cache, and then swipe to wipe the selected partitions. When that's over, go back and select Install. Find your downloaded ROM and GApps zip files. I've got them on my SD card, so I have to go to Select Storage and select Micro SD card. Now select the AICP zip file, click on Add More Zips, select your desired version of GApps, and then swipe to confirm flash. Flashing of the ROM file took about 50 seconds. GApps installation will take a different amount of time depending on the GApps version you've downloaded. I'm using the stock variant, so it took almost 5 minutes. And when it's all successfully installed, you can select Reboot System. First boot will also take about 5 minutes, slightly more in fact. Let's go through the setup quickly. I actually like seeing this part of the experience, so I leave it in the video and not skip it. This shouldn't worry you. Note, for the fingerprint reader to work correctly, the last stock firmware you're coming from must be Nougat. If you've had stock Oreo on the phone before, you should downgrade the firmware to Nougat, then flash TWRP, and then this ROM. This also shouldn't worry you. I've actually used this ROM for about 10 days and I had no stability issues. But whenever I have it freshly installed, it soft reboots a couple of times in the first 5 or so minutes of using the ROM. As you can see, this is quite a stock-looking pixely experience and I like it very much. And let me show you my favorite feature: navigation gestures. You can now use the maximum screen real estate as there are no navigation buttons taking up place. Instead, you go back by swiping up from the bottom of the screen, either on the left or the right side, and the same gesture in the middle of the screen is Home. You get to recent apps by doing a swipe and hold in the middle of the screen like this. I don't know, it's cool and it works really well. Let's go through some menus and settings. You see the Android version here. Let's enable developer options. Let me also show you the AICP extras menu. You can change the appearance and behavior of the recent apps menu, of quick settings, of the lock screen, some really fine details. Again, more details. Notification controls. Fingerprint recognition is quick and accurate. Here's what the lock screen looks like, and let's go and see if the always on display is working. Here are different display settings. What we're after is under advanced. Here we go, ambient display, always on. Turn it on and let's see. Here it is and it works. Here's a lucky coincidence, this is how a notification looks like. Of course, there are other customization and personalization options like the Omni switch, but what mattered most to me, I liked the user experience and the stability of this ROM while using it daily. Mind you, I did use it on my secondary phone, so I haven't tested each and every feature of the ROM, but for me it was a reliable daily driver. That's about it for today's video. As always, thanks for watching, stay subscribed for more stuff like this, and until the next video, goodbye.